Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, Winnipeg, local, and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers is here to offer you a high-quality moving service in the Winnipeg, Canada area. We provide local and long-distance moves. Let our team of qualified movers take care of your moving project. Long-distance moves are tricky affairs. Starting over in a new place can be exciting and terrifying at the same time. 3 Movers can help you make the process easier. Our on-site evaluators will help you plan your move while offering reliable estimates based on your location, the weight of your items, and any other needs you have. Our crew is trained to handle a wide variety of items so you can be sure your belongings will be treated with care. Since weight is one of the biggest things to consider for long-distance moves, we will provide you with a per-pound ticket that you can use to get an accurate price estimate. We even have storage solutions in case you have items that you aren't ready to move to your new place yet. Distance is so important when moving locally. In these situations, it's labor costs and additional fees that you need to worry about. Labor is often charged at an hourly rate based on the load and unload time. This means the packing time and size of your household will affect the final price. When getting a written estimate, make sure the quote states whether the price is fixed, binding, or if it can be changed based on additional factors, non-binding. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Winnipeg moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.